In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an offer on eBay. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you've made an offer on an item and had a change of heart, or perhaps realized it wasn't exactly what you wanted, you might need to know how to retract that offer. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to eBay's website by opening your web browser and typing in ebay.com. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a link labeled Bid/Offers. Go ahead and click on that link. This section is where all your active bids and offers are stored, making it simpler to manage them. Next, when you've clicked on Bid/Offers, you should see a list of your current offers. Locate the specific offer you wish to cancel and click on View Offer Details. By doing this, you'll get a more detailed view of your offer, providing all the necessary information and options. In the following view, look for the option that says Review Offer. This button will lead you to a stage where you can examine the offer in greater depth and start the process of retraction. Once you're on the review page, you'll see an option labeled Retract Your Offer. This crucial step is where you begin the official process of cancelling your offer. After clicking on Retract Your Offer, eBay will prompt you to specify a reason for the retraction. They provide a few reasons for you to choose from, which can help categorize why you're backing out. Select the most appropriate option that matches your situation. If none of the pre-populated reasons seem fitting, there's an Other option that might suit your needs better. Once you've selected a reason, the final step is to click on Retract Offer to confirm your decision. This action completes the cancellation process, and you should receive a confirmation message from eBay indicating that your offer has been retracted successfully. It's always good to carefully consider any offer you make on eBay to minimize the need to retract. However, knowing how to cancel an offer when needed can save you from unwanted purchases. Remember, the ability to cancel offers depends on eBay's rules and the specific circumstances of each transaction. Therefore, always ensure that you understand these conditions before proceeding. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy eBaying!